Hello everyone, Gurjot is back with another video on YoGadz, and this video I'll be telling you how you can install the beta version or the early access version of MS Office on your Android device without any issue. So let's get into it. Basically, the new version of MS Office has a complete new overlook of this app. Previously, MS Office was available in different apps with MS Word, MS Excel, MS Sheets. This time, they have combined all the apps into one single app, that is MS Office. And the app is not available on Play Store to download directly. That's why I've made this video. The steps are very simple, just 2 or 3 steps, follow them and you will be able to download that app without any issue.
So guys, here we start the installation. First I'll show you that you can't even see the MS Office app. Not even you can search the MS Office app or the Microsoft Office app in the Google Play Store. So let me go to the Play Store. Here you can, as you can see, I have already searched about MS Office. Let's click on that. Here you can see all the apps, but you cannot see the MS Office app. Then let's search about Microsoft Office. You can see you can get the old Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Outlook, but you cannot get the new Microsoft Office app. So what we are going to do about that? So let's go to Google Chrome and search Microsoft Office for Android. Alright, here you can see all the results. Go to this first link, although I'll also provide you this link or all the links in the description below. All the necessary links for this video in the description below. Alright, click on this. This is the official page of Microsoft for the new Android app, as it says introducing the new mobile app for Android. So I'll click on get the app. So this opens a website called techcommunity.microsoft.com. I'll also provide a link for that. Here it says Office app for Android, how to access the public preview. All you have to do is click here. So basically मैं आपको लिए read कर देता हूँ. Please click here and follow the on-screen instructions to join the preview group and get the app. So click here. So now you get a page like this. You're logged into your Google account. Here's your email mentioned. This is my personal email, so I'll be hiding it. So here it says join the Office Mobile Android preview group. All you have to do is join this group. Okay. And it reloads. Okay. Now it says welcome to the Microsoft preview group. Your request is approved and you can download the app here. Now guys, Microsoft is accepting all the requests, all the permissions for this beta download from all the users. So you won't face any issue. As far as my friends are concerned, none of them faced an issue. I have tried to install on this app on multiple devices, on multiple accounts, and every request has gone successful. So you shouldn't face an issue. Now click here. And now basically you are on the Google Play page now, play.google.com. So this is the Play Store by Google for Android, and here it is asking me to become a tester for this beta app by Microsoft Office. All you have to do is click become a tester. Now I am officially a tester. Welcome to the testing program, as it is written there. Now if after doing this, you can search the MS Office app on Play Store without an issue. You will find it. But before that, we were not able to. Or you can just install the public version by using this link or this link. Just click on the link. This will take you to the new MS Office app. As you can see, this is the new logo by MS Office. Yeah, this is the new logo. And this app is currently 89 MBs for now. Let's click install. Now as you can see, the app is installed. Let's open it. Allow. Get started. So guys, okay, done. So guys, this is the new interface for the new MS Office app. This is the home, these are the actions. I can browse to folders, I can search anything. Settings. Here you can choose to see whichever document you would like to see or create a new one. Let's create a document, and I would like to create a blank document. Okay, this is a blank document for YoGadz video. So guys, this is how you can do it, and let's save this. Okay, rename this file, copy, no, just save. Okay, yeah, here's my document. I will write down all these steps in the description down below so you won't face any issue, and all the links for this app will be down there as well.
So guys, hope you liked the video and hope that you are able to download this app. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and for more tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, leave a comment down below. We'll see you in the next one.